someone tells a lie and you are sure that your child has told a lie, one thing which is very important not to do is don't make him realize that you know that he has told a lie. Just don't let him know that you know it. And we do it opposite. He says something and we say, no, it's a lie. He said, no, it's not a lie. You can, okay, let me call your teacher and let me see what your teacher is saying. We want to prove him. Please remember, proving a guilt has got only one purpose, and that is to punish him. Your purpose is not to punish a person who is lying, which is your son or daughter. Your purpose is to change his behavior. And if you want to change his behavior, then just making him realize and a jury just declares him guilty of it will not solve the purpose. Number two important point is, the most important thing for any person, may it be child or an elderly person, is self-respect. If one of your children is telling a lie regularly, then public humiliation will further strengthen his belief on a lie. So never ask him in front of other brothers and sisters, in front of other siblings. If you have to really inquire it, it has to be it's a private affair. It should be in a kind of a confession box, not a public humiliation. And number three is, never try to mend it at the heat of the matter. For example, he told a lie and you caught it and you want to sort it right now. This is the worst time to sort it out. The best time to sort it out is when everything is calm and quiet and there is no, rush in the environment. Then you just talk, and talk in such a way that give him a chance to explain it. And while you do it with this strategy that your child realizes that mama is not judgmental about it. Don't tell him that you are a liar. Tell him you told a lie. There's a difference between these two. When you tell him that you are a liar, which means I know your niyat. How you can know a niyat of somebody? Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows the niyat. So if you just label your child as a liar, that means you have got a conviction that he is not going to change. So since it is your desire that he should not change, why he should change? Instead of telling him the message that you are a liar, you have to tell him you told a lie. And if you want to go to a higher level, a lie has been told by you. The blame is on the act, not on the person. Right? Please remember, your son or anybody in this earth is like a diamond, because it is created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But unfortunately, some diamonds are there in a gutter. And since they have a filth on it, but from the inside they are diamonds. When you clean it, they become diamond. So if your child having any bad habit, whether it is a lying, whether it is stealing, whether it is bullying someone, so these are the principles. Don't insult them. Don't publicly humiliate them. Don't be judgmental about them. Don't have a belief in your heart that no, this he cannot change. I know it is difficult, but make a strategy. Strategy is keep on showing an unconditional behavior of love, and then save them from the stress that they will be punished, they will be scolded. We need punishment at times, but the punishment is the end point. Before punishment, there is feedback, there is counseling, there is advice, there is mentoring, and then comes the punishment. And when punishment occurs, that means we have decided that that is point of no return. But I can assure you, no matter your child has gone stray to any level, there is no point of no return. And a child can come back. I hope I answered the question. These are few principles which we have to follow in these.